Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure payment gateways on Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we will need to do in order for us to configure our gateway payments is click here on the settings at the bottom left of your screen. And once you do, you would be prompted with these options right here. And from here, you want to click here on payments. And from here, we can set the payment providers and our supported payment methods. But before all this, it is important that we choose the payment provider first. So click on choose a provider. And from here, you can choose anything that you want from here. So in my case, maybe I'll just go for to checkout just for example. This is just an example, okay? But we're not going to proceed into the full step-by-step process because you could just see it right here. And if you choose other payment providers right here, like for example Air Wallets, as you can see, it has different procedure on how to proceed, so it's very subjective, so I can't really give you a specific step on how you can do it yourself. So all you have to do is read the instructions right here on how you can connect to your chosen payment provider. So as you can see right here in to checkout, you can see that you can get the merchant code and secret word right here when you go here into the API section. So this is an important detail that you need to remember right here into checkout. So once you've done this, once you have completed and you've successfully connected your shop into to checkout, then we can proceed by going back right here, and let's go back and we can go into the payment methods right here. So we can add payment methods. We have PayPal right here already, so let's add payment methods. So let's click here on the search bar, and from here we can add our desired payment methods right here. So if I click on Visa, it will be added right here, and MasterCard and whatsoever that you'd want right here. So you could just scroll down, or you could just simply search here. For example, I'll choose Grab right here, Grab Pay, just like that. And these are my options for the selected payment methods right here. So notice if I remove one of them, my choices would vary right here. So it would depend on how or which payment methods you are choosing right here. So for this one with Visa, it's just MasterCard. I have Skrill right here. This is my favorite. So I'm gonna go here and click activate. And as you can see, it's gonna ask me for my merchant email and secret word. So if you are using to check out, then you would know how to get the merchant email and secret code because we have discussed it earlier. And yeah. And notice also that if I choose different payment methods right here, like for example, just like this in PayDollar, it also has different instructions on how to get it and how to activate it, but it has the same merchant ID and secure hash secret. As you can see, it's different. So it really depends on you. It's very subjective. And after you have set up all that, then all you have to do left is just test it out if it's working. Once you have successfully connected your payment provider and your supported payment methods, you would be able to click the manage button right here, and you would have a test button once you have clicked the manage button right here, and you can test out if it is working by purchasing something on your shop. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.